Okay, so hi guys, Sulekh here from Sulekh's Marketing, and I'm back with another tutorial video. And today I will be showing you this step-by-step tutorial on YouTube Analytics. So this is where you'll be able to actually get used to all of the different features that are present on YouTube Analytics and use them to your advantage. Because what I believe personally is that data is actually very important in actually making your next video even better than the video which you have already just published. So let's get right into it. Okay, so welcome back guys to my YouTube channel where I review IT products, cloud-based softwares, teach you how to make money online, and also provide you guys with tutorial videos such as this one to scale your business to the next level. And today I will be showing you how you can actually use YouTube Analytics to your advantage. And so first and foremost, what you'll actually have to do is just go to the top right of just youtube.com. So it's very simple. And then you'll just want to actually go here. And then you'll just want to click on YouTube Studio. So first click on your logo and then just click on YouTube Studio. Then it will actually load up this right here. So there you go. This is actually what mine looks like. Then the next thing which you want to do is actually to go to this analytics tab right here at the left over here, just below playlist. And this is actually what will come up. And so the first thing that I will say is that there is a very important reason as to why you want to actually look at your YouTube Analytics. And as you can see, this is actually my data so far, and in the past few days, I think it's around a month or so. As you can see over here, it has written the last 28 days. And so I will definitely recommend you to actually set this to a month, because that is probably the best right now. And so for 7 days, you can see that it's going like this at the moment. So this is what the last 28 days is, and I will definitely recommend it. And what I will say is that data is definitely very important in actually helping you to make better videos in the future. But one thing you should do is that you should definitely enjoy making your content, because if you actually get too overwhelmed by your data and like just always constantly looking at it, it is not a good thing, and you will not benefit from it, because it will actually like damage you mentally, like what it has actually done for me in the past. So I would definitely not recommend you to actually go overboard with your data. And that's why I will be showing you the main parts which you should actually focus on YouTube Analytics. So first and foremost, this is what it says. So in the past 28 days, I got close to 1,000 views, and this is all organic. So as you can see, this is my subscriber count at the moment. Then they will also be showing my live count. And as you can see, this is actually the number of views I've gotten in the last 48 hours, so in the last 2 days itself. And the reason why I'm actually not getting as many views is because you can see I've actually uploaded 2 videos just then itself. So on October 6th, as you can see over there. Then after that, there has been like this big gap as to the fact that I've not uploaded any videos. And that's why my view count has actually decreased from like 74 at this peak, and then it's just been going down. And then suddenly it actually picked up here because I uploaded a new video. And the reason is because I'm actually working on a current project, and I'll be telling about it very shortly later on in the upcoming video, of course. And so what I will ask you to do is actually to go and click on this see more option right here. So as you can see, these are actually the top videos which I'm currently doing. So this has actually gotten like 13 views in the last 48 hours. And then so it's just breaking down all of the information required. Then just click on this see more right here. Then I'll just open it in a new tab. There you go. And so this is actually where you will be able to view all of your different videos, as well as when you have actually published them, and also how many views that they're actually getting. And so as you can see over here, in the last 60 minutes, I got a view from this mailer link, which was such an old video. As you can see, it was published on the 23rd of July 2021. So now it's also actually updating live. And so this is where you'll just be able to find the generic views, and it's not as much of an important section as this, for example. And for this part, there, as you can see, there is the overview, reach, engagement, and audience. But then I will definitely ask you to focus on this see more right here, and it also shows me the top videos which I have. So this is all of my retention rate, and I'll be telling you in a separate video actually how to actually increase your retention rate. So I will be showing you later on. And so just click on the see more right here. There you go. Oops. So as you can see, it's actually in the last 28 days over here. So yes, do make sure you actually do it monthly. And if you want, you can also spice it up a bit more, and you can actually go to the past like 90 days or so. So there you go, 90 days. and as you can see, it's going crazy. And so as you can see over here, you'll actually be able to find your different videos, then the number of views which they have actually gotten, and also the number of watch hours. So as you can see over here, for my total, it is actually 170. Then this is my subscribers, as well as the impressions, which is a lot of impressions, and also my click-through rate. So it's actually quite it's not a bad amount. So as you can see, what you'll want to do next is actually, you can see the different lines as well. So the different lines actually represent the different videos. So if I, for example, take this one, there you go. If I take this, you will only be able to see this one, and then you'll be able to see when is it that it has actually picked up. And as you can see, I published it over here. Well, let me just see when I published it. Okay, so I published it on the August of 3rd. So I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, so I published it here, and then of course it's going to decrease a bit, and then there were a few days which never got any views, but there were many which actually got like some spikes in views. So you can also just untick it, so you can actually go through all of the different details over here itself. And then you'll also be able to compare your videos as to when you are actually getting the views. And then there's also this traffic source, which is very important, I will say, guys. So just click on the traffic source, and there you go. So as you can see, this is actually the different sources of traffic that I'm getting my views from. So there's of course like external, there's YouTube search, and then there's browse feature. So people are actually searching for my content, and then they're actually clicking on it. So then there's also suggested videos, and this is a very important trick, guys. So I will actually be putting a link down below for you to actually show you how you can actually appear more on the suggested tab, because this has actually helped me out a lot, and I'm definitely sure it's going to help you. And so as you can see, there's playlists and stuff. So if I was to click on this browse features over here, so just click on that and wait for it to load. It will actually show you the different words which you're actually ranking for, or like what people are actually searching for. So in this case, it's actually the home. That's where I'm actually getting a lot of views. So on their homepage itself, people are actually clicking on my video there itself. Then this is the subscription. So as you can see, this is the green line, if I'm not wrong. So the green line is where I'm getting some views, but then of course the main views are actually from the home section. And then there was this one place where I actually got 70 watch later views. That's absolutely crazy, guys. And then there's also the watch history. And then so what I will actually show you next is just go back to traffic source again, and then I'll be showing you the YouTube search. So this is actually a very important feature, guys, and it will actually show you the different keywords which people are using, and this is where you can actually plan your next few videos. So there you go. Elevate reviews. So these are actually all of the different review videos which I'm making. So of course I'm not too surprised about that. And then some like even from people from India actually searching it, and then like just different sort of videos, and then also like AI marketing. So this is something that people have been starting to do. And then also affiliate marketing, email list, and then affiliate marketing for beginners. So you can see that you will be able to get a lot of data from this itself. And then so do make sure you actually watch in your own time, and I will definitely ask you to experiment between 90 days and then also in the last month itself, so you'll be able to get a variety of data. So I'll just close that. Okay, so then there's also this reach. And so as you can see, this is actually what the impressions and everything look like. And as I told you before, I actually have a big project coming up. That's why I've not been posting recently. Or not, I will say that that the impressions click-through rate is actually quite high, and I will be showing you later on in another video how you can actually optimize traffic and how you can actually get more traffic. So you can see over here, it's actually YouTube search is 26%, external is 19.5, browse features is 18.3. So they're actually using the YouTube search feature itself, and then also browse features. So it's very important. And then there's also channel pages, and if you are actually not sure about what they mean, just hover over this information button right here, and as you can see over here, it says traffic from the homepage / home screen, the subscription feed, and other browsing features. So it's very important, and I'll be showing all of this in another video especially. So you can see that a lot actually comes from Facebook. That's my main external traffic source which I actually use. And then suggested videos, and then there are actually many linked videos for me. So that's how I actually make use of it. Then engagement is actually not that important, but then I will actually show you this audience right here. So there you go. And then this is where you'll be able to actually show and see all of your returning viewers, as well as your unique viewers, as well as your subscribers. So it's very important, guys. And then you can see that this is actually all of the recommendations and also the watch time. So not subscribed is around 50% of the people who are watching, and so it's actually a good percentage if I say so myself. But then another thing which you'll want to pay attention to is how you can actually increase the subscription percentage, and that's probably the easiest way will be like call to action. So just make sure to actually say so do make sure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and it will really help out in the channel and supporting it in the long run. So that's actually very important, and this is actually the top geographies and then also the languages which are being used, so it's very important. And so this is basically a very simple overview of just YouTube analytics on your homepage itself. But another thing that is very important is actually the YouTube analytics for each of your videos, so you'll be able to actually dive greater into it. So let me just show you. I'll just take a video. So then you can actually click on this button right here. Instead of actually going to details then going to analytics, you can just click on this right here, this analytics button. And so there you go. You can see that there are the different number of views which are getting, so 43 more than usual, and it's actually an increase from a normal. And then also the watch time and then subscribers, this is very important. And the first thing that I will actually tell you guys to do is do not actually put this right here. So what I'll ask you to do is just go to this button right here, click on it, then go to custom. So it'll be all the way at the bottom, custom. And then now you will actually want to click on this one right here, the second date, and then now click on apply. And this actually shows you a better view of like when is it that you're actually getting the views, instead of like just showing your total number of views, because it honestly does not mean that much. So you can see that I've actually peaked around here. So 9 views on September 13th, September 14th then, and then you can see that this is when I'm actually getting the views. And then like there are some days which I've actually picked up. So it's very important for you to actually see the timings when you're actually getting your views. So then by looking at, so you'll be able to know when you are supposed to actually publish your videos itself. So if I just go down over here, this is actually the key moments for audience retention, which is very important, guys. So average percentage view 17.1% is not a bad amount. And as you can see, there are these like spikes over here. So I'm actually probably saying something important. So if I just click on that right here, it will go to that video. And then so if you just listen to it, amount of value in this product is absolutely ridiculous. And for so there you go, guys. The fact that I actually talked about the value and the amount of like value that is present in this single product is like absolutely crazy. That has actually caught the people attention. So it's very important to also include like keywords in your videos itself. So and also like just to actually attract their attention. So this is a very important tip that I'm actually giving you guys. And then there's also the reach, of course. There you go. So this is actually the click-through rate and all of the different stuff. Then this is the traffic sources that has been used for this specific video ticket to success demo review. Then the external, as you can see, the Facebook, and then also suggested videos, like this is what was actually being suggested to them later on. And then also the playlists, and then also engagement. And then as you can see that the engagement has been not that bad. And as you can see, the it has been 100% likes, so it's quite crazy. And you can also see that the click rate is also very good. So you can see that the channel average is actually 1.6, but then this one is actually not doing as great because I do have a lot of like different videos on this like same sort of niche. So like I'm actually reviewing products, so you can see there's actually 0.0%, but you can also definitely just click on the see more to find out more about it. And this is where as I've said before, this is where like the spikes were. So do make sure you actually include some like keywords. So you can see over here it says that it's above typical retention, as well as over here at 2 minutes 45 seconds. And then this is actually your audience, the last tab. And so this is where you'll be able to find your returning viewers as well as your unique viewers, and if they're actually increasing. So do make sure you actually improve your videos like slightly, and this is where YouTube analytics actually plays a very big part. So what just to summarize is that first and foremost, do make sure you look at your analytics in a whole, and then like just based on what I've actually said in this video itself. And then the next thing is you want to actually focus on each of the videos so that you'll be able to get the best part of each of them, and then you'll be able to apply it to your next videos, so that you'll be able to actually get more views and also like more subscribers, which is of course very important, and also more likes. But don't stress over it too much, guys. You will actually get it with time, and especially when you like learn editing, and also when you get better at speaking, you'll definitely make it. And so yeah, guys, that will actually be it for the end of this video. I do hope you have actually understood a thing or two more about YouTube analytics. And if you did find this video useful, do make sure you comment down below that you have actually liked this video. I will really appreciate it. And also click on the subscribe button on the middle of the video right now, and also check out 2 of my videos, so that will really help me out a lot. And also click on the notification icon to be notified of when I'll be posting next, and also smash the thumbs up button because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. So that'll be it for today, guys. Sulekh here from Sulekh's Marketing, and peace.